stole it. It's Christmas. You just got candy. You probably ate it yourself. No, I did. No. We're gonna find. I know who took it. I saw it. I stopped that evil dinosaur by the Christmas hat. Okay. I'm on my way. Roar! You can't get the candy. I want it. Ow. Roar. Okay. Oh no. Save you. I'll save you. Honey bunches of oats. Roar. Roar. Okay. We finally beat the dinosaur. My candy. Yay. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay, now the bird is pregnant. Wait, what's the bird just something? The bunny's pregnant. Oh no, I'm having a baby. I'm having a baby. Hi, Mommy and Daddy. Oh, we got candy. Here, you can eat candy. Here, the end.